Space weather. Date March 26, 2014. Prepared jointly by the U.S. Department of Commerce, NOAA, Space Weather Prediction Center and the U.S. Air Force. Updated 2014 March 25, 2200 hours UTC. Joint U.S. Air Force NOAA Solar Geophysical Activity Report and Forecast, SDF number 84, issued at 2200 hours UTC on March 25, 2014. A coronal mass ejection, CME, was observed in SOHO/LASCO C2 imagery beginning at March 23, 3:48 UTC. The bulk of the CME was directed off the eastern limb of the Sun. But modeling of the event indicated a potential glancing blow around March 26, 8 o'clock UTC. Part of the process of evaluating forecast models is to determine how it is handling current conditions. This model run seems to be underestimating current solar wind speeds. So forecasters believe the CME will arrive slightly earlier, 6 to 10 hours earlier, than the model indicates. Analysis of solar active regions and activity from March 24, 2100 hours UTC to March 25, 2100 hours UTC. Solar activity has been at low levels for the past 24 hours. The largest solar event of the period was a C1 event observed at March 25, 6:10 UTC from region 2010, S14W41. There are currently 6 numbered sunspot regions on the disk. Geophysical Activity Summary March 24, 2100 hours UTC to March 25, 2100 hours UTC. The geomagnetic field has been at quiet to unsettled levels for the past 24 hours. Solar wind speed, as measured by the ACE spacecraft, reached a peak speed of 503 km per second at March 25, 2042 UTC. Total IMF reached 13 NT at March 25, 1938 UTC. The maximum southward component of BZ reached -10 NT at March 25, 1938 UTC. Geophysical Activity Forecast. The geomagnetic field is expected to be at quiet to active levels on March 26 and quiet levels on March 27 and March 28. Solar Activity Forecast. Solar activity is expected to be low with a chance for M-class flares on March 26, March 27 and March 28. Solar flux 153 an estimated planetary A-index 7. The estimated planetary K-index at 2100 hours UTC on March 25 was 3. No space weather storms were observed for the past 24 hours. No space weather storms are predicted for the next 24 hours. Space weather by the Australian Bureau of Meteorology. Today's space weather Wednesday, March 26, last updated March 25, 2314 UTC. Low solar flare activity is expected for 26 March. Minor coronal mass ejection effects are in progress from a 23 Mar CME. The solar wind is moderate. Geomagnetic conditions are expected to be quiet to unsettled with isolated active to minor storm periods at high latitudes. High-frequency radio communications should be normal with some degraded conditions at high latitude. So far the space weather. Over 3 days is a new forecast.